Hi, it's me again. As you see, the robot is still in pieces on my table. I'm going to make another video now, and I will show you exactly where the problem is. So these are those two motors, and these are the plugs. Those two wires are going to the switch. Those two switches are telling the processor that the robot is sitting with the wheels on the floor. And the other 5 black wires are the connection to the board on the motor. Okay. The wires on outside, the first one and the last one in there, are going straight to the coil, to the windings of the motor. So in this way I can measure the motor to see if it's good. All the other wires are related with a receiver and a meter, which is a part of the system to check if the motor is turning or not. So I'm going to show you now the values for those two motors. This one is the motor which is working at the moment, and it's turning. I'm trying to focus as good as I can. So I'm going to put the testers. This is my multimeter. I'm going to put the testers on those two wires that I told you. One is going to be on this one, and another one is going to be on that one. So 2 black wires on outside, and between them I'm going to measure the windings of the motor. Okay then, hold it like this. Okay, so this is, as I said, you see here where I put the wires exactly on those. Those two. They're not really there now, but can hold it, please. Alright, so then there now. Okay, and now I'm going to turn the motor. Hold it to see that. I'm going to turn it step by step. So these are the values for all the windings. Next, as you see, 17 point something, 17.5. This is a bit more. 17.5, 0.7, 0.5, 0.7, and so on. So the value for the windings on the good motor is 17 point something. There's a minor difference between the windings. Okay, so there's no major difference between them. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. Putting the testers in on the same wires, like on the other one, on the first, on the last one. Okay, and now look at the numbers. It's 13, 3.6. This is mean the motor, the windings of this motor is half away burn up. So is halfway dead. So is 4 times less than the normal, which is significant difference in windings. So this motor, it doesn't work at all. It doesn't. The only thing it's doing, it's vibrating. Okay, so look at the next one. It's 4.2, 12, 10, 13, 4.4, and again 3.6, 12, 10, 13, 3.7, 3.9, now it's finished, so 12.7. So this is a proof that actually this motor is dead. This one is still turning, the values are nearly okay, but this one is dead. So I will need a new motor instead of this. Thank you at the moment.